In the world of photography, there is a magical space where reality meets imagination, where sharp lines dissolve into emotion, and everyday scenes transform into works of art. Hi, I am Eva Polak. Today we are beginning an exploration of Impressionist photography, where technical precision gives way to creative expression. Impressionist photography is about more than just techniques. It's a powerful way to tell your story, to evoke mood and emotion, and to transform everyday scenes into extraordinary works of art. So, what exactly is Impressionist photography? At its core, it's a style that goes beyond sharp details and perfect realism. It's about capturing the essence of a scene, the way it feels, rather than how it looks. Impressionist photography is defined by its key elements: blurring motion, whether it's leaves swaying in the wind or waves crashing on the shore. Motion blur adds a sense of energy and life to the images. Soft focus creates a dreamy, ethereal quality that draws attention to colors and shapes. Light play, from shimmering reflections to the glow of golden hour. Light becomes your paintbrush, adding drama and mood. Impressionist photography draws inspiration from the Impressionist art movement of the late 19th century. But why choose Impressionism in photography? Because it let us break free from the rules. It encourages creative expression, letting you focus on emotion and atmosphere instead of perfect detail. It's about transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary, inviting the viewer to see the world through your unique lens. By moving beyond realism, you unlock the ability to capture moments that speak to the heart, creating images that evoke wonder and imagination. And that's the true power of Impressionist photography. Silhouettes are a powerful way to create striking Impressionist photographs. By exposing for the brightest part of your scene, you can reduce your subject to simple, dramatic shapes. Look for clean, uncluttered compositions. Sunrise and sunset are perfect times for capturing silhouettes with rich, dynamic colors in the sky. Another technique is intentional camera movement, or ICM. This involves moving your camera during the exposure to create abstract streaks and patterns. Start with slower shutter speed, like 1/4 of half of a second. Small, controlled movements work best for subtle effects, while larger motions create bold abstractions. Bokeh, the soft, out-of-focus highlights in an image, can also be a fantastic tool for Impressionist photography. Use wide apertures and shot against small light sources or reflective surfaces to create dreamy, glowing patterns. Reflection and distortions are excellent for creating Impressionist compositions. Water surfaces, glass, and even shiny metals can introduce fantastic textures and layers to your photos. Look for natural light playing off these surfaces and use a polarizing filter to control glare while enhancing color and details. With these techniques, silhouettes, ICM, bokeh play, and reflections, you can push the boundaries of photography and explore a whole new world of creative expression. To achieve Impressionist effect, your camera settings play a crucial role. Start by switching to manual mode. This gives you full control over aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Use wide aperture for soft focus shots or shallow depth of field. Narrow apertures, like f11 or f16, can work well for capturing intentional camera movement with more detail. Experiment with slow shutter speed for motion blur and light painting. Keep it as low as possible to minimize noise, especially when using long exposures. Take your time to test and adjust these settings based on the scenes and the effect you want to create. Having the right equipment can elevate your Impressionist photography. Here are some essentials to consider. A soft focus lens can create dreamy, ethereal images. Macro lenses are excellent to capturing fine details, while wide-angle lenses let you experiment with dramatic perspectives. Natural density and filters allows you to shoot at slower shutter speed in bright light, while soft focus filters can enhance the dreamy effect straight out of the camera. Post-processing is where you can refine your images and enhance their impressionist qualities. Adjusting light, color, and contrast can help bring out the mood and atmosphere of your shots. For beginners, tools like Lightroom are user-friendly and offer powerful adjustments. If you are more advanced, Photoshop allows you to fine-tune details and experiment with creative effects like layering and blending modes. Remember, the goal isn't to make your images perfect, it's to make them expressive. Don't be afraid to push boundaries and explore what resonates with your vision. With the right tools, settings, and little post-processing, you can turn any scene into a masterpiece of Impressionist photography. Composition is the heart of creating powerful Impressionist photographs. It's not just about where you place your subject, it's about how you tell a story, evoke emotion, and draw the viewer into your world. When framing your subject, think about what you want the viewer to feel. Focus less on sharp details and more on creating an atmosphere. Use soft focus, motion, and abstraction to emphasize mood over clarity. Leading lines can guide the viewer's eye and add depth to your image. Whether it's a winding path, the curve of a wave, or the play of light through a window, these lines subtly draw attention to your subject. Color and light are also essential. Choose color that evoke emotion, warm tones for comfort, cool hues for calmness, and use light to enhance the mood. A well-placed shadow or a soft glow can transform an ordinary scene into something magical. Light is your greatest tool as an Impressionist photographer. The golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, bathes everything in warm, soft tones, perfect for creating atmospheric images. Backlighting adds a touch of drama by illuminating the edges of your subject. Try positioning your camera so the light source is behind your subject for a radiant, almost ethereal effect. Diffuse light, like what you get on overcast days, softens shadows and highlights, giving your images a gentle, balanced look. This is ideal for bringing out subtle textures and colors. Don't be afraid to play with shadows and highlights. High contrast scenes can add depth and intrigue to your compositions, making them more dramatic and engaging. By focusing on creative composition and experimenting with light, you can create images that go beyond the ordinary. Photographs that tell a story, evoke emotion, and capture the world as you see it. Inspiration for Impressionist photography is all around us. You just have to know where to look. Whether you are in the heart of nature or in the middle of a bustling city, there is always something magical waiting to be captured. Gardens are a wonderful place to start. The interplay of light and color among flowers and foliage is perfect for experimenting with soft focus and motion blur. Try capturing the way petals move in the wind, or how sunlight filters through the leaves. Urban streets offer endless opportunities too. Look for reflections in puddles, shadows on buildings, or the movement of people and traffic. Everyday scenes can become extraordinary when you focus on mood and abstraction. Water is another treasure trove for inspiration. The way light dances on its surface or how waves create dynamic patterns can add a sense of mystery and wonder to your images. Don't be afraid to play with long exposures to capture its fluid motions. But finding inspiration isn't just about the location. It's about your perspective. The world is full of details we often overlooked. Train yourself to see with fresh eyes. Notice how light interacts with your surroundings, how color changes throughout the day, and how even the smallest subjects can tell a story. Ultimately, inspiration comes from curiosity. By looking beyond the obvious and embracing your creative instincts, you will find beauty in the everyday and transform it into art. Now that you have the tools and techniques, it's time to explore the world through an impressionist lens. Whether it's a garden, a busy street, or quiet lakeside, there is a story waiting to be told in every scene. Remember, Impressionist photography isn't about perfection, it's about expression. Experiment with soft focus, play with light and motion, and let your creativity take the lead. If you are eager to dive deeper, check out my course Fundamentals of Impressionist Photography. It's packed with in-depth lessons and techniques to help you master this art form. The link is in the description below. We've completed our journey through the art of Impressionist photography, but in many ways it's just the beginning. I'd love to see what you create. Share your photos and connect with our community of Impressionist photographers. Your unique perspective could inspire someone else to see the world differently. I can't wait to see the beautiful moments you will capture and the stories you will tell through your lens. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, keep seeing the world through Impressionist eyes.